Open handicap pacing mares set for the 6th. They're off. Quick start. Breakheart pass from between horses on the inside. Hula Zitam. Far outside is the gray mare Panagler. Splitting mares was I'm Just Special. Keystone Catherine down on the inside. Heading around the turn, and Breakheart pass is quickest to the backstretch. But Panagler on the outside is looking for the lead. And here comes Brennan and Panagler to take the lead from Breakheart pass. 2 lengths back to Hula Zitam third. I'm Just Special is fourth and 5 lengths from the lead. And then it's Keystone Catherine, and Shacked Up will do her best from off the pace. No Bad Luck, and last of the 8 is Delightful Diva. Opening quarter was 27 seconds flat, and Panagler has cleared the top, and she's at 4-1. Panagler by a length and a half on Breakheart pass. Hula Zitam in third. 2 lengths back to Longshot. I'm Just Special. Moving to the outside, Keystone Catherine, and Shacked Up will follow her as they march over to the half-mile pull. 7th along the inside is the invading mare, No Bad Luck. And last of all, Longshot, Delightful Diva. It's Panagler in front through a half mile of 55 and 4, 28 and 4 second quarter. But here comes Keystone Catherine on the attack, first over at 17-1. Towards the inside, Breakheart pass, and Shacked Up was well placed with 3/8 to go. Shacked Up could be a late stretch threat here. Down to the inside is Hula Zitam. No Bad Luck advances third over while 6th. Then I'm Just Special and Delightful Diva making no impact here at 3/4. And Panagler fights off Keystone Catherine. Outside, Shacked Up is a threatening third. 3/4 in 1:24 and 2. Down towards the inside, saving ground the whole way is Breakheart pass. Down towards the inside, Hula Zitam is locked in behind mares. And then No Bad Luck. They're coming to the top of the stretch. And Panagler dispatched Keystone Catherine on the far outside. Shacked Up. And there's open road for Breakheart pass. Through the stretch, Panagler's in deep water. Breakheart pass. Here comes Hula Zitam up the cones. Here comes Shacked Up. Here comes the wire. Shacked Up. Hula Zitam. Shacked Up. Close for a second. Breakheart pass with the closing Hula Zitam in 1:59 and 3. Photo finish. Number 5, Shacked Up was first. Second, 4, Breakheart pass. Third, number 2, Hula Zitam. Back to the winner's circle.